Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to give you some detailings for the construction of a bridge. So try to watch this video completely in order to better understand the concept. Don't forget to also subscribe to my channel so that you remain updated of my latest videos. You may see here that the formwork is placed for the pier, and here you can see that the pier and the pier cap, which is also called transom, has already been constructed. We are using the building jacks 2 by 4 H-beam, which are having the height of 2.9 and 3.9 meters. Apart from them, we are also using the plywood panels for the shuttering of this pier. You may see here that the water is still passing through since it is a river and the rainy season has just been ended, so there is still a flow of water. On the other side, you can see that the starter bars are coming out. This is the pile cap, and later we are going to construct the abutment along with the wing walls. It is a 5-span bridge, and each of the span is having a length of 15 meters. The height of this pile is going to be 4.8 meters. So you can see that the water is still flowing around the river. You can also see that the shuttering is still placed to support the transom of this pile. You may see that the other piles are already being constructed. This is an overview of our under construction bridge. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you have any comments or questions, you may write in the comment box. You can also contact me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye.